Welcome to my Intro to Software Development Lifecycle video by Professor Charles Dorner. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. The software development lifecycle, also known as SDLC, is a process that allows for the planning, construction, and testing of high-quality software. The primary objective of the software development lifecycle is to produce high-quality software that satisfies the requirements of the client within the allotted amount of time and money. The Agile software development lifecycle combines iterative and incremental process models into a single workflow. It places an emphasis on the process's adaptability as well as the delight of customers through the swift delivery of working software products. The product is broken up into a series of smaller increments when using an Agile SDLC. These builds are incorporated into the iterative process. To ensure client satisfaction, Agile allows them to view progress toward completion. The Agile software development lifecycle model benefits from this. It's difficult to estimate how much it will cost and how much time it will take to construct because it lacks well-defined specifications. Iterations in the Agile software development lifecycle often involve teams of people from different backgrounds working on different parts of the process to include requirements gathering, designing the requirements, construction and iteration, deployment, testing, and feedback. At this point, is requirements gathering, where you are going to be tasked with defining the criteria. You need to have a conversation about the business options that are available as well as plan how much time and effort the project will require. Using this information, you may determine whether something is feasible from both a technical and a budgetary standpoint. After determining the project, you should begin working with the stakeholders to design the requirements. You can use a user flow diagram or a high-level UML diagram to explain the functionality of new features and how they will interface with your existing system by following the instructions in either of these diagrams. After the group has agreed upon what must be done, work can officially begin. The designers and coders begin their work on the project they are working on. The deployment of a product that is useful within the specified time frame is one of the primary objectives of the designers and developers. Because it will go through many stages of development after this one, the product only possesses the most fundamental and essential capabilities. During the deployment stage, the team will disseminate a product that has been designed for usage in the operational environment of the user. During the testing phase, the quality assurance team conducts tests to analyze the functionality of the product and looks for any faults that may exist. After the product has been made available to the public, the very last stage is to offer feedback. During this stage of the process, the team discusses the comments on the product that they have received. There are several advantages to the Agile software development lifecycle. The project is divided into a series of concise and well-defined iterative steps. Because it is adaptable, modifications can be readily implemented. It reduces the dangers associated with developing software. Publishes the initial working version of the product as soon as possible. During the process of development, it is checked to make sure that the functional requirements are accurate. The end outcome is displayed for the customer, who can then judge whether they are satisfied with it. The development team ought to have an exceptionally high level of expertise and put the consumer first. It's possible that a new need will conflict with the design as it currently stands. There is a possibility that the project will take more time than originally estimated due to the need for additional alterations and corrections. Because changes are constantly being made to the project, it might be difficult to estimate how much it will ultimately cost. There is no obvious necessity for this. In this video we discuss the following topics: Software Development Lifecycle, Agile Software Development Lifecycle, Agile SDLC Iterations, Requirements Gathering, Designing Requirements, Construction, and Iteration, Deployment, Testing, Feedback, Agile SDLC Advantages, and Agile SDLC Disadvantages.